This is Greg Gust with the National Weather Service in Grand Forks with a briefing on the potential for a significant winter storm during the holiday Christmas season, mainly December 25th and 26th across the tri-state area. We are expecting significant impacts from this storm. It could affect holiday travel, first response capabilities, and lead to power outages in areas around the tri-state area. Deep snow and low visibilities are considered a high probability with this, especially to the western and northern parts of our CWA, which include eastern North Dakota, northwest Minnesota. We expect icy roads mainly to develop in the middle and southern parts of that CWA, and that would be mainly along from Fargo through Bemidji and then southward into Waupun Breckenridge area or across into Wadena and Park Rapids. More ice, more rain is possible even further south, and that would be mainly across eastern South Dakota into central and southern Minnesota. Again, significant impacts with that, a large area of heavy precipitation moving in with this storm. And with that, the liquid equivalent of moisture in that could range from 3/4 of an inch to 1.5 inches across much of our CWA. Again, eastern North Dakota, the northwest quarter of Minnesota. The timing and impacts are expected to develop with their onset on Sunday morning. So this map showing at 6 o'clock in the morning on Sunday, a warm frontal boundary moving up from eastern South Dakota into southeastern North Dakota with that light freezing drizzle, sleet pushing into that area throughout the morning hours. Midday could even be rain, but rain on top of frozen ground would be very slick conditions developing as that hits and refreezes. Later, from noon into 6 p.m. or so, we expect the onset of heavy snow further north. That would be the green banded area, up including central and eastern North Dakota and into northwest Minnesota. Treacherous travel would develop at these times, and with that heavy snow developing, continuing into the evening and overnight hours. The impacts from that on to Monday continue. This image showing now the low pressure system well into the arrowhead of Minnesota, but with the wraparound of the strong winds developing behind that out of the north-northwest. So from 6 p.m. Sunday night into Monday, heavy snow continuing, strong winds turning now from the northeast and becoming more northwesterly by Monday morning. And then midnight Sunday night into midday on Monday, the possibility for blizzard conditions to develop within the Red River Valley and points westward with continued heavy snow elsewhere. Travel could be very limited at these times. In review, this winter storm is expected to bring impacts in multiple ways, with heavy snow over a broad area that's 6 inches or more, possibly a foot or more into Grand Forks, Devil's Lake, and Roseau areas. A mixture of ice, sleet, snow possible to the south and east, and that would again be impacting the Fargo area across into Bemidji and points southward from there, but with some snow following on that. A transition to a blizzard is possible, with more likely being late Sunday into Monday for the corridor of the Red River Basin and points westward into eastern North and central North Dakota. So a winter storm is on the horizon. Prepare now. Make sure your winter survival kit is with you at all times. Make alternate plans as needed to deal with these travel issues, and be prepared not to travel during the height of this storm. Always have appropriate winter clothing on you or with you when you travel, and then pay attention to these forecasts over the next couple of days because it will change a bit. And check with trusted information sources often. This has been Greg Gust with the National Weather Service in Grand Forks. Thank you